you can say, or you want to say sell book, can say hon o urimasu or hon o uru. This means sell book. But when you use the word uri or uru with the word dasu, dasu is mean you put something out. But in here we use uridasu. This means you sell something out. That means you have some products and you want to put your products on the market for sale. So in the case like this, you can say uridasu. For example, 教科書を売り出します。教科書を売り出します。This means I will sell or we will sell the textbook. 漫画を売り出します。Which means we will sell out the manga. So that means when you use uridasu, this means you have some product and you put your product on the market for sale. So you can say uridashimasu. And you can say like パソコンを売り出しました。パソコンを売り出しました。It means we sold out the computer. So that means you